What's up guys, welcome to door number 13 of the finance calendar, where we dive into 24 financial ratios in 24 days. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the ratios, and let's go! We have talked about the current ratio and the quick ratio, so let's go through one more liquidity ratio, the cash ratio. It is again a ratio that tells us the company's ability to pay its short-term obligations. Unlike the quick and the current ratio, the cash ratio only takes cash and cash equivalents into account. The cash ratio can be calculated simply by dividing cash and cash equivalents by the current liabilities. You can find the cash and cash equivalents and the current liabilities from the balance sheet. Intel's cash and cash equivalents are $7.87 billion and the current liabilities are $29.57 billion. This means that the cash ratio is 0.27. If we go back to the current and the quick ratio, Intel's current ratio was 2.07 and the quick ratio was 1.74. So as you can see, the cash ratio is a lot stricter than those two ratios. So what does the 0.27 cash ratio mean? It means that for every $1 of current liabilities, Intel has only 27 cents of cash and cash equivalents. If the cash ratio is over 1, it means that the company has enough cash to pay all of its current liabilities, and if the cash ratio is less than 1, it means that the company does not have enough cash to pay all its current liabilities. You can use the cash ratio to compare different companies within the same industry. However, there is one downside to using cash ratios. Companies don't usually want to have too much cash or cash equivalents because it is often seen as inefficient. While it is great to be able to pay all the current liabilities, companies want to invest the excess cash for better future earnings. Because of this, it does not mean that company A is better investment than company B, it might be that they are just holding too much cash and not investing it efficiently. Because of this, you should compare one company's cash ratio to the industry average. Always use all the available information and ratios before making investment decisions. That's it for today's financial ratio. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe so you don't miss the future ratios. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!